welcome to the next section of the video, which is probably still the same video, where we are going to attach this monolithic switch doodad rotary click clacker. Oh yeah, that's a technical term, rotary click clacker. Don't forget it either. No need to forget, it's called a rotary click clacker. I'm gonna look at the back of the board and make sure I'm not lifting any traces. Excuse me, that's disgusting. Alright, and so we're also making sure we're lined up properly. So we're flipping not. Sucker. Shit sickle. Yeah. That's a good insult. I have to remember to use that one on strangers. Suck on my shit sickle. Disgusting. Of course it's gonna flip and twist in it. Oh, good. Now, what screws went in here? Fuck if I know. Like, honestly. Maybe this one. So there should be an identical screw to it. I don't see one. But I also made a giant mess. I think this is it. These are them. And no, I don't have the patience to de-rust these freaking screws. So I should have a little bit with this one. This one's kind of terrible. I scratched the fucking circuit board, but whatever. No more rust. Yeah, let's get that a good tighten. Tighten. Attack. On. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. Or it's about to be my favorite part. Probably your favorite part too. I've been waiting for this part forever. You know how much crap this switch has caused me? This switch is the only reason really I had to take this thing all the way apart. I could have just plugged it in. Holy crap, all the... Oh yeah, flammable materials under the thing you're applying heat to. It's smart, you know? Do you know how smart it is? It's so smart. That one time. Anybody feel like that sentence is unresolved? I suppose the whole time I was kind of way off to the right of the screen. Oh, my apologies. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. gonna lock one of these down. Blue, like that. And we'll get another one. Put this one over here. Oh yeah, that's great. Now we don't have to worry about it going all over the place. Let's throw one right here too. Oh yeah. And that's probably beautiful. Now, we can systemically go down the line, and I will zoom you in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh yeah, this is the stuff. Oh, I love it. I love soldering so much. I could probably do it as a full-time job. Only if that job was fulfilling, like if I was doing the same stupid circuit board day in and day out. Might not be so happy. If I was welding metal, I wouldn't do the same side because it would pull the whole piece of metal to one side because the welds will contract because hot crap expands. Cool things contract. It's important to keep your tip clean for many reasons. One really big reason is that your solder will melt faster. The job will go quicker and easier. Keeps trash out of your joint, so the smoke is good. To be honest, I think I'm the best solderer on YouTube. Only problem is I'm not really on YouTube. Nobody knows me yet. I think that looks amazing. What do you think? Does it look good? The back of it's all the way down, flush to the surface. Oh, that's amazing. And It's plugs that are taken care of. That we don't have to worry about. Stupid glare. Sorry about that, you guys. Guess these go to the top. Yeah, there's that one piece that goes into that. That looks awful. Yeah, too late. Yeah, that was great. It only took 10 minutes.